Okay, so our first step is we're going to go to the Stardew modding API, follow that link, and visit site. And then we're going to download this top file right here. And it should download pretty quickly. And then we also want to download Null's Stardew mods.zip. Continue to download. And this might take a minute to download. And once that's done, we can close out of our browser. And then we want to open up our downloads folder. And we're going to extract SMAPI first. 7-zip, extract to SMAPI. And we're going to open up this new folder here. Go through the SMAPI installer. And then find install on windows.bat. We're going to double click to run that. And it'll open up this command prompt here. And as long as you have Stardew through Steam, it should find the file for the path. It should be number 1. We're going to hit 1 and then enter. And then install SMAPI, we're going to hit 1 and then enter again. And once you see this green text here, it was successful. So we can exit out of the command prompt. And then back on Discord here, we're going to scroll up to this line of text in the center here. We're going to copy this whole line of text. And then we're going to go to Stardew Valley on Steam. Going to go to the gear icon, go to properties, and then this here will probably be blank for you. We're going to want to paste in the thing we just copied. And then once that's there, you can exit that. And then we're going to run Stardew Valley. It's going to open up this command prompt right here. And then it'll open up Stardew Valley. And this will just generate the folders that we need. Once you've gotten to the main title screen, it should have generated everything, so we can exit back out. Now we're going to go back to our downloads folder, and we're going to double click on Null's Stardew mods.zip, and then we're going to copy this folder that says mods. And then back here on Steam, we're going to go to the gear icon, we're going to go to manage, and then browse local files, and then we want to paste in the empty space here in the folder. And this might take a couple minutes to paste everything. And once that's all done, we can close our folder here, and we can run Stardew Valley. And it might take a little longer to open this time because it's going to load in all the mods for the first time. You might see some different colored text here, but you can ignore that. And then once Stardew Valley opens, you should be ready to play.